Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com. I'm going to show you how we created our 2Cute Bead Love Bear. So you have wire included in your kit. We're going to take our wire, we're going to fold it in half. They're going to take each one of those and fold it in half again and cut it. So then we're going to have 4 pieces of wire here. It's a real easy kit to do. You are going to need your nippers, and you're going to need your round nose. And I also use my bent nose or a pair of flat noses, the second pair of hands. So to start out, we've just got our 4 pieces of wire. We're going to take our 3mm bicone. We're going to loop it on here. We're going to pinch it at the top and try to get it even. And then I'm going to grab my wire and hold my bicone. I'm going to twist. And I'm only going to twist 3 times. I'm going to grab my next one, do the same thing, or you can do for the kit for your earrings, you can do all 4 of them at once if you want to make sure that your ears are totally even. I'm going to grab it up close to the top here, making sure I have both my wires, and I'm going to twist. Same amount on each side. With my nippers, I'm going to take off 1 piece of wire here, and a piece of wire here. Now I'm going to bring these 2 together, hold them evenly, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to hold them here and take both my wires together, and I'm going to twist down very carefully. About this far. Okay then, now we start from the top and work our way down. So then we're going to load on our 6mm round. There's our ears. We're going to load our heart bead. We're going to pull each one of these wires to the side tightly. We're going to take our head pin. We're going to load it up through. Now, we want it to be tight, so we're going to push it up through here. It's come through. Push it up a little more so I can get a good hold on it. So we have a wire on each side now. I'm going to pull down on each of these wires now. off to the side again. So I have one on each side of the head pin. I'm going to load my bicone with my round nose. Get nice and close. I'm going to wrap the wire around. And I want to wrap it nice and tight. I'm going to take it around 2 times. Then I'm going to nip it off. Same thing on the other side. This is the other leg. Wrap it around 2 times. Have his feet facing the same way. Nip off your extra wire. There he is. Now all that's left to do is to do our gallery wrap in the back. So I'm going to make my loop down here below his ears. Round, straight up. Bring it. And then twist down. Making a loop. Being very careful around his ears, I'm going to cut off my extra wire from the head pin. There he is. Going to open my ear wire. And there's our Too Cute bear. Thank you for joining us today at TooCuteBeads.com.